Alright guys, today we're doing a recoil rope on an MTD lawnmower. It's got a Honda gcv160 motor on it. Here's the model of it right here. Any of the parts I use I'll put in the description below. Pull rope. I'll put the whole recoil in there in case you got like spring damage or anything else. They're super cheap on Amazon. I use them all the time. First thing we're going to do is take out these 10mm nuts. I like to tighten them first and then loosen them because it kind of breaks the nut free and then comes out. A lot of times these studs will turn and it looks like nothing's happening, but it's really you're undoing the studs. So if you get a couple of these out and one of them acts like it's not coming out, just keep turning it loose. The whole thing, stud and everything will come off. So pop off the recoil. So with tightening it first, it pops them all off. It just, you'll hear it click. It won't really turn much. You'll just hear it click, and you know that it's on there good and tight. And then it's actually moved the nut just a little bit, and then it pops off, no problem. If the whole thing comes off though, you just take the stud back off. It's like a 10mm or whatever off this. You put a wrench on this side and a socket on the other side, and you break the nut free from here, and then put this back in, tighten it down tight, and you're back to where you started again. Alright, so what we're going to do first here is we're going to remove all the old rope. We're just going to pull it all out. Go ahead and get the rope out of the handle as well while you're at it. Just get the rope pushed out of there. Then you take the tip of the new rope that you're going to be putting in, and you just give it a quick heat with a torch and then pull it tight. When you pull on it with your fingers, it gives it a nice little point. We're going to push the rope through the recoil hole, and then we're going to work our way into this hole here. So we're going to want to line up the holes, and then we're going to push the rope through the lined up holes. Just like that, and then we're going to pull this out, and we're going to tie a knot in the end of it. We're just going to grab the rope, pull the knot down into place. We're going to grab this rope on this end and pull it out a little bit, so we got a little loop, and we're going to grab this side of the rope, and we're going to go in a counterclockwise direction. So you're just going to be turning this counterclockwise. Oh, it's freaking hard to hold this with one hand and do it because I'm squeezing it. There we go. 1, 2. We'll do just 2 pulls this time, and then we'll go with 2 more next time. There we go. Alright, so once you've gotten it, you pull the rope out, and you let it loose, and it spools up a bunch of rope. We're going to do 2 more times with that now. Pull it in a loop, and then we're going to use this side, and we're going to go counterclockwise 2 more wraps. And when we've done it 2 more wraps, we're going to pull this through here, and then I'm squeezing my leg so it's pinching it off, but you release it and let it wrap up again. Now this one, the rope goes up on the handlebars, so we're going to want to take and release like a couple foot of rope to go up on the handlebars, and then we're going to cut it there like that. That way you got your length that goes between the recoil and the handlebars. Then we're going to go ahead and heat this end of the rope real quick. We heat this up with a torch. Pull it tight like this. I say pull it tight, I'm just taking my fingers from the other hand and just rubbing it like that. You know, you don't want to get too hot, you just want to get it just a little bit warm, and it'll do that. If you get too hot, it'll burn your fingers. Alright, then we're going to stick this through the handle. I'm using number 4 rope too, by the way. Tie a knot into it. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the recoil. We want this aiming towards where the handle goes up on the grips here. 3 10mm, tighten them down. This person, you know, had broke the rope, so this has to be loosened enough for the rope to get into the loop. And then we're going to pull this rope up and put it in the loop and tighten it down. Now most of you watching this video have probably already taken your recoil off and taken your recoil completely apart and popped the spring out and everything like that. For you guys, I'll put the whole brand new recoil in the description. For those of you that have taken the time to watch the video first, hope this helped. Good luck. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to have you. Today's t-shirt be in the description below. Peace.